Hey guys, welcome to my channel FP Queen Home Decor. If you are new, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more latest updates of home decor. Today we came up with a new video of bedroom design. We brought latest bedroom ideas that will make your home bright and fabulous. A bedroom is a space that is often overlooked. It's a place where you spend time alone and where you can relax and unwind. But if you don't have a bedroom, you're missing out a lot of great ideas. Here are some ideas that to help you create one. There are so many ways to design a bedroom. You can choose from traditional design such as a king size bed or the queen size bed, or you can choose from contemporary design such as the modern bed or the contemporary bed. Whatever your preference, it's important to think about how your bedroom will when you put together all of your items. You should also consider how it will fit into the room, such as whether it will be in the center of the room or whether it will be off to one side or another. You should also consider how your space will look when you put together all of your items. You should also consider how it will fit in the room, such as whether it will be in the center of the room or whether it will be off to one side or another. Your bedroom is the most important place in your home, and it should be the place you spend the most of time. It's where you relax, eat dinner, and sleep. But it also where you spend your time when you are working or at school. So important to make sure that your bedroom is a place where you can relax and feel good about yourself. One of the best way to do that is by having a beautiful bedroom. And one of the best things about a bedroom is that it can be a focal point for your home. It can help to have a nice desk, bookshelves, and so on in order to create a home that is welcoming and comfortable. Another thing to look for in a bedroom is furniture that will help you to relax while you sleep. This means that you should look for furniture that will help you to fall asleep while watching TV or reading books. And if possible, make sure that the furniture is comfortable enough so that you can fall asleep without any problem at all. Another thing to look for in a bedroom is lighting. This means looking for fixtures that will help you to have an enjoyable night's sleep while watching TV or reading books. A simple yet elegant way to create a home that is both inviting and functional is to create a space that is both inviting and functional. This can be done by creating a room that is open, accessible, and easy to access. This can be achieved by having a large window or doors that allows natural light into the room. Another way to achieve this is to have a small kitchen area that allows for easy access to the kitchen. This can also be achieved by having a small bathroom area that allows for easy access to the bathroom. Another way to achieve that is to have large living room area that allow for easy access to the living room. Another way to achieve this is to have an open dining area that allows for easy access to the dining room. You can find many different kinds of home decorating ideas on the internet. There are so many different kinds of home decorating ideas, room decorating ideas, that it can be hard to know where to start. But there are a few things you should know before you start. First, you should always start with the basics. Don't start with a big, expensive home or a fancy apartments. Start with the basics and see what you like. Then add in more and more as you get more comfortable with your home decorating ideas. Then, when you are happy with your home decorating ideas, move on the next level of design and decoration. First things first, you should always start with the basics. Don't start with a big, expensive home or a fancy apartment. Start with the basic and see what you like. Then add in more and more as you get more comfortable with your home decorating ideas. Then, when you're happy with your home decorating ideas, move on to the next level of design and decoration. Decide on a design that will be easy to follow and easy to keep. This is a good way to avoid the temptations of having too many ideas. One of the best way to avoid having too many ideas is to design with one eye on how many people will be using the space and the other eye on how many people will be using it. If you are planning on having more than one person use the space, you want to think about how many people will come in and out of this space. If you are planning on having more than one person use the space, you want to think about how many people will come in and out of this space. If you are looking for an interior design that is both simple and plain, consider using a minimalist design that is easy for everyone to follow. If you like my video, do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.